So what's for lunch today? It's going to be carrot curry and tomato sambar. Welcome to my channel. So I have added a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of oil here. I'm going to add a teaspoon of mustard seeds. I allowed it to crackle. I've added, so I'm adding a little bit of asafoetida powder for digestion. So we have a tomato here also. The rice and dal are ready. So the mustard has started to crackle. I'm going to add our carrot here. Look at the color. It's going to be a very simple recipe today, like every day. This is also healthy at the same time, and simple to cook. Welcome to my channel. So if you've been liking my content here, give this like my videos, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of turmeric powder. That's it. The only thing to add is salt and nothing else. No masalas, no chili masala, nothing going with it. Little bit of salt accordingly, because this is a Tata salt. This is not Tata salt light. It's the normal salt. So need to be careful with the salt while adding it. So if you're liking this video, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So let's give this a stir. What I'll do is add a little bit of water, and I'm going to close this with the lid so that it cooks quickly. Here we go. So I'm going to close this with the lid and let it cook. In the meantime, let's prepare for our sambar. Once the carrot is done, I'll show it to you. In the meantime, if you've been liking my videos, give them a like. And if you're a vegetarian and if you like South Indian vegetarian food, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel. Let's prepare our sambar, adding a teaspoon of oil there, to which I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of mustard seeds. To that, I'm going to be adding quarter teaspoon of what is it? Asafoetida powder, a little bit of fenugreek seeds, which is good for diabetes. So no sambar without fenugreek seeds. The mustard seeds have stopped crackling. Now let's add a tomato. There it goes. Give them a stir. Add again the turmeric, quarter teaspoon of turmeric. You don't have to add more turmeric powder because the sambar powder already has turmeric powder added in it. So if you have forgotten to add turmeric powder to your sambar powder, you can add turmeric separately. So let's now add our sambar powder. So let's add our sambar powder. How do I add? This is homemade sambar powder. I'll also be adding a bit of ready-made sambar powder so that taste of both, and also if there is, so this is a little bit of ready-made sambar powder. It is from MTR. So I'm going to give this a stir. So you can directly add the tamarind broth here instead of water so that it cooks along with the tomato. Otherwise, you can first add some water and also then add the tamarind broth. So I'm going to stir this. I'm going to stir this well. I'm going to add this tamarind broth now. So let it cook. Let, let our tomatoes cook with the tamarind broth, and then we'll add tur dal, and I'll show you the process then. Stay tuned. So our tamarind broth and the tomato has cooked well. So I'm going to be now be adding the dal to our tamarind broth. As you can see, so I'll be adding the dal here, tur dal, to our tamarind broth. Hold it in one hand, take the ladle and just drop it inside. So if you think your sambar is a bit thick, add some little bit of water to it so that it comes to some good consistency. So it's a bit thick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of water more to it so that it's not too thick, but it's consistent. It has a medium consistency. So let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll stop the gas. In the meantime, our carrot is almost done. So if you are liking the video now, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends. It's a very simple lunch that everybody can make, easy, at the same time healthy and homemade. And share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. So our sambar is ready. I'm going to stop the gas down now. So the dal and the tamarind broth has cooked well. I'm going to stop the stove and let's check on our carrot curry. I'm going to place this onto the adjacent small small gas to the uh, small gas stove here. I'm going to light up our this stove here and let's check on the status of our carrot curry. So it needs a bit of cooking. So let it cook. So lunch is almost ready. So our carrot curry, which is looking delicious, is ready, along with our tomato sambar. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends. Tomato sambar with a green chili, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.